Welcome to Vlogmas. It's Saturday, December 2nd. We just got to the rink because we're about to go ice skating. We went ice skating last year, but in Cary, so this time we're going ice skating in downtown Raleigh. This is our first time at this location, and this is our third time ice skating together. We went ice skating in Central Park a few years ago. That was really cool. The last two times we went ice skating, it was at night, so this is gonna be our first time ice skating during the day. I love how my hair came out, super festive. I have my green leggings on. I went for a whole Christmas vibe. The tickets were about $15 each, and we thought it was gonna rain today, so we were thinking we might have had to take a rain check, but it's just cloudy, no rain, and each ticket allots you about 2 hours, I think, so it's perfect. I made sure to wear 2 layers of socks because the skates are pretty uncomfortable. I'm so happy we decided to come during the daytime. It looks so nice. The last time we were here, it was for a concert a few years ago. I think we either saw Griffin or Louis the Child, but yeah, it doesn't look too busy. But I think the rink looks bigger online. It's a little bit smaller in person. We're just signing a waiver right now. Yay! 45 minutes later, we are on the way out because I got all the content I wanted to get, and if you've ever been ice skating before, then you know how uncomfortable the skates are, and our legs were starting to hurt like 10 minutes into it, so we took a couple breaks. They had food trucks and they were selling like alcoholic beverages, but we didn't get anything. It was nice. I don't know, I feel like ice skating is just like one of those things that looks a lot funner than it is unless you have your own pair of skates that are super comfortable and you're actually good at it, or you took lessons. But you know, I just wanted to go for the Instagram picture and some content. So my husband was over after like 5 minutes, but he was a trooper. Don't believe everything you see on Instagram because we really didn't have that much fun. I mean, after 5 minutes, like I said, we were in pain, so. Also, it's really hot today. It's like 70 degrees, so it doesn't even feel like December. That's Raleigh, North Carolina weather for you. It's bipolar. We were sweating out on the rink. I'm still sweating. But happy Vlogmas. I'm doing this for you guys, okay? For the content. Pizza date. The first thing I said when I saw the slices was, you only got me one. I'm a big girl. You know that. Damn, this pizza smacks. I just got these cute bows and this cardigan in the mail from Amazon. I plan to make some cute hairstyles and outfits with them. My favorite flavor used to be the watermelon, but I think cherry limeade is my new favorite. I ordered this drink organizer off of Amazon on Black Friday, and it's time to refill her, so. This electric lighter that I ordered off of Amazon looks like a weed pen. It's not though, don't worry. I'm about to attempt this surround sound trend, and I want to do like a skincare one, so I just got into my cute PJs and I am going to attempt to tape my phone on my ceiling. I already kind of did a test run, so it should work out. I'm just gonna try to do my skincare really quick. It's gonna take about 15 minutes though, because I need to wash it all off and then do my skincare. I'm gonna use my Dr. Dennis Gross LED light, so I'm gonna make it a whole routine and pour myself a poppy. I think it's gonna come out really nice, especially with my cute PJs. I mean, Happy Thursday. I just finished filming this makeup look. I did the I'm cold makeup trend. I love how it came out, especially with these earmuffs. I did bubble braids today. I haven't done this hairstyle in so long. I'm expecting a full-length mirror to come in the mail today from TikTok Shop. I'm really excited because they were supposed to send me this like 2 months ago, but I was put on hold because they ran out of stock. But it comes in the mail today and I'm so excited because this is the other mirror I've been using, which is fine, but I've been wanting a full-length mirror for the longest time and I just haven't pulled the trigger because they can get pretty pricey. I mean, this one on the TikTok Shop is pretty cheap. It's actually the most affordable one I've seen. I just realized I was talking a lot louder than I thought I was now that I took these off. But the plan today is I want to go to At Home and take some aesthetic Pinterest pics, maybe like in the pink Christmas aisle section. Look how pretty my disco ball looks right now. The sun just came out. I'm obsessed with this outfit, the pinks and the browns. This is so freaking cute. I'm extra excited to get this content now. I kind of just accidentally put this together, but I have my light pink Converse on. These are new leggings that I got from Aerie. This is my first time putting them on. I've had them for like 3 weeks. I'm in the garland section. I want to get one to put on my new mirror. This one's really nice. This is cute and dainty. They're all out of the pink Christmas ornaments, so I just got some content in front of these Christmas trees. It came out pretty good, so I'm happy. Now I can leave. I think I'm gonna go to Marshall's or TJ Maxx now because I made a promise to myself to not spend any money today, so I put something in my cart and then I put it back though, so look at this pink tree. It's really cute. I really like this pink one right here too, if only it was taller. Who's paying $189 for this? I'm sorry, but no. I just got to TJ Maxx and HomeGoods. I'm gonna check out HomeGoods first because I wanna see if they have a garland that I can put over my mirror since I have a gift card. Girl math, I wouldn't actually be spending any money. Everyone and their mama is here. I had to park in the back. It's busy. I mean, it's December. The holiday season is upon us, so that's expected. These are their garlands, and so far I don't see anything I like. I found these kitchen hand towels for $6.99. Super cute. And then I've been wanting a candle that smells like pine, so I'm gonna get this one. It smells really good. $20, but it should last. So out with the old and in with the new. They're just perfect. My mirror's here, but it's so dark outside and it's only 5:30, so because I need to make a video unboxing this, I'm gonna open it tomorrow. I just hope it's not broken because the last time I ordered a mirror through Urban Outfitters a few months ago, it came shattered, so that kind of worries me. I put my Grinch PJs on. We're feeling festive and cozy now. Let's light the new candle. I love this wick trimmer I got off of Amazon. Smells like Christmas in here already. I don't know why I thought yesterday was Thursday when it was Wednesday, so happy Thursday. I'm about to unbox my mirror. I'm so excited. The disco ball is hitting it perfectly, so I'm about to film some content. And the brand told me that I can post it sometime next week, so I just want to open it and get it out of the way so I have it ready to go. I need to wash my hair. It's really dirty, but I just put it in a braid. I just spent some time purging my Instagram page. I had over 1,000 posts and I got it down to about 600 now, so I'm really happy about that. I've been wanting to do it for a while. I just thought I had to delete each post individually and that would have taken forever. So I recently discovered a way to delete multiple at a time, which saved me a lot of time. I timed that perfectly because the sun literally just disappeared. It goes behind this building at like 1:45. It's tricky because of all of these tall buildings, but I got the content and I love the mirror. This mirror will do for now. And of course, you know, it was free, so that's a win. But I do want one that's much bigger later on down the line when I can afford one. But I think it's really nice, and it has a little stand in the back, so you can mount it on the wall or you can have it lean like that. Yay! 3 months later, I finally got a mirror. I really manifested that. I'm just happy it wasn't broken, but let me show you the inspo I had to hang on the mirror when I was looking for garlands yesterday. Let me see, I took a screenshot of this girl that I follow on YouTube, and hers came out so cute. I think she went to At Home too, and I think I was looking at the same stuff that she got. I should have just got it. And then she hung ornaments on it. Look how freaking cute that is. I just finished giving myself a blowout, and this is my best one yet because I used a few new techniques. I used the round brush on my bangs. I've never done that before, and I feel like I just have a lot more volume. But right now I want to go to Marshall's because whenever I give myself a blowout, I always put my hair in the heatless curls at night. But I've been seeing people on TikTok put their bang area in rollers to help give them volume, and I want to go get some because I don't have any. I'm obsessed with my hair though because this is my first time blowing it out since I got it dyed, and it looks so freaking good. I found these pink rollers. They're only $5, and then I think I'm gonna get this white tree skirt since we don't have one. Right now we're just using a red blanket, but it's by this brand that I like, Cupcakes and Cashmere. They have the cutest stuff, so I think I'm gonna get this. I'm back home now. I have a little haul. My hair's getting a little frizzy, but it always looks better after I put my heatless curls in. So you saw I got these. These are only $5, $4.99. I got this tree skirt. I'm gonna put this on our tree right now. It's so soft. You can't really tell that the red blanket we have under the tree isn't a tree skirt, but this is gonna look a lot nicer. And I can't believe we haven't had one this whole time. I should have just went straight to checkout, but I got caught up, okay? So how cute is this? I didn't try anything on. It's like a cropped little Christmas sweater. But I want to film some videos, some Marshall's content with the clothes that I got, and if it doesn't fit right, I'll just return it. I always get a medium and everything, so I hope it fits nice. And then I have been wanting a cardigan like this. I know it's like not really screaming winter vibes, it's more of like spring or summer. The cardigan that I wanted to get has been sold out, so I was like, you know what, I can't pass this up because I would just be thinking about it nonstop. And this is from Luna Ivy, and it was only $25. I didn't try this on either, but you know what? Let me try it on right now. And it's like, if I don't like it, then I'll just return it. But I'm just like, this is so cute. There's no flowers on the back. I think the cardigan that I wanted online had flowers on the back, but it was a little bit more expensive because of that. So this is what it looks like, but I know I can make cute outfits with this. I've just been in my pastel girly era lately. Not with this top, obviously. I feel like this is really cute. Ooh, it's nice and comfy too. The arms are a good length for me. And then this top is so cute. I love corsets, and I feel like a good one is so hard to find. This was only $14.99 by Sincerely Jules. I'm really excited to try this on. I hope it fits. I wasn't sure if I should have gotten a medium or a large, but I went with a medium, and I like it because the bra area is not see-through. So, and this was in the clothing area, so I'm like, okay, this kind of looks like lingerie, but it's not. All right, that's right up my alley. I love that. So I feel like this will go really good with some black jeans. That's everything I got. Oh, wait, did I show you these? I've been wanting espresso mugs for the longest time, and look how cute these are. It says they're hand painted. I was having too much fun in there. They already have the Valentine's Day stuff out. I'm just like obsessed with this color, it looks like, right? These are only $12.99. I really wanted some white earmuffs because I only have the pink ones, but I didn't see any. And I saw they had white earmuffs when I went to Marshall's like a month ago, and I didn't grab them. I knew I should have, but they still have a lot of good stuff in there. How freaking cute is that? I'm about to make myself an espresso right now. So cozy. I'm so excited. Okay, let me put my tree skirt on right now. Also, let me show you what my bestie sent me. She sent me this cute Stanley topper. It has my name on it. She got it off of Etsy. Now my Stanley is all pimped out thanks to her. And I just left this at the pickleball court a couple of days ago. I was like, where's my Stanley? I didn't see it for like 2 days. I thought I left it at the gym. And so my husband drove us to the pickleball court early before we went to the gym, and it was just right where I left it, out in the open, and it still had the water in it. And I'm like, wow, the pickleball community is so trustworthy and amazing. She sent me this topper right before I found my Stanley Cup, so I'm so glad no one stole it. This is our makeshift tree skirt, but it is time to go. This blanket is just old. I kind of want to just throw it away. My husband has had that forever. Okay, yes, I like that much better. How freaking cute is that? It's Saturday, about 6:30 p.m. I just got done getting ready because my husband and I are gonna go downtown to a Christmas themed bar. We went last year, so this is gonna be our second time going, and I just refreshed my curls. And let's see how my bangs are gonna turn out. I wore this curler in my bang area last night too, so I feel like it works. I love how my hair looks, but I think I want to try to incorporate this white headband to match my top, and I'm wearing my new top that I got from Marshall's yesterday. It's gonna match the vibe perfect, so I think I want to have some pieces hanging out though. I'm obsessed. This is so cute, okay? I'm gonna end the vlog here and start another one. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching it. Make sure you're following me on all my socials, and make sure you're subscribed to my YouTube channel. I'll see you next week.